Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to help you unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. In today's video, we'll be diving into the realm of time management, exploring powerful techniques that will help you make the most of your precious time. So, let's get started. Prioritize your tasks. One of the fundamental principles of effective time management is prioritizing your tasks. Start by identifying your most important and urgent tasks and tackle those first. This ensures you focus your energy on what truly matters and avoid getting overwhelmed by less critical activities. The Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a popular time management method that helps improve focus and productivity. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Fully concentrate on a single task during that time. Then take a short 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. This technique allows you to work with dedicated bursts of focus, optimizing your productivity throughout the day. Plan and schedule. Planning and scheduling your tasks is essential for effective time management. Take some time at the beginning or end of each day to create a to-do list or use a digital planner. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks and assign them specific time slots. This way, you have a clear roadmap of what needs to be done and when, helping you stay organized and on track. Learn to delegate. Trying to do everything on your own can lead to burnout and inefficiency. Learning to delegate tasks to others when appropriate can be a game changer. Identify tasks that can be done by someone else, whether it's a colleague, a team member, or outsourcing to a professional. Delegating frees up your time to focus on higher priority tasks and ensures things get done more efficiently. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a significant drain on your productivity. Take proactive steps to eliminate or minimize them. Put your phone on silent or use apps that block social media notifications during work sessions. Create a clean and clutter-free workspace, free from unnecessary distractions. By creating a focused environment, you'll find it easier to stay in the zone and complete tasks efficiently. Practice time blocking. Time blocking involves dedicating specific blocks of time to different activities or tasks. Set aside uninterrupted periods for focused work, meetings, personal time, and breaks. By assigning specific time slots for each task, you create structure and discipline in your routine, making it easier to manage your time effectively. Learn to say no. We often fall into the trap of saying yes to every request that comes our way, whether it's work-related or personal. Learning to say no is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance and managing your time effectively. Assess each request or opportunity carefully and consider whether it aligns with your priorities and goals before committing your time and energy. And there you have it, powerful techniques for effective time management. Remember, managing your time well is a skill that takes practice and discipline. By prioritizing tasks, utilizing techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, planning and scheduling, delegating, eliminating distractions, time blocking, and learning to say no, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your productivity and achieving your goals. We hope you found these techniques helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and success. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, stay focused and make